Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will start new chapter partial differential equations. Definition: a partial differential equation involving partial derivatives with respect to more than one independent variable is called a partial differential equation. So that means any equation which contains partial derivatives with respect to more than one independent variable. That means it contains more than one independent variable. Such an equation is called as a partial differential equation or PDE. Examples: you can observe that here it contains first example contains x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equals to 2u. So this is a partial derivative of order 1 because here the order of this differential, that is dou u by dou x, is equals to 1. So this is the first order partial differential equation. Here dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y are the partial derivatives, okay, of u with respect to x and y. So similarly, second one we have dou square z divided by dou x dou y equals to x divided by y plus k. So is a first it is also a PD of order 2 because here the order of the derivative is 2. In this chapter we regard z as a dependent variable and x and y as independent variables. Also we treat dou z by dou x is equals to p, dou z by dou y equals to q, dou square z divided by dou x square equals to r, dou square z divided by dou x dou y is equals to s, and dou square z by dou y is equals to t. So in this chapter, in the PDE, we represent all these terms, that is dou z by dou x is represented by p and dou z by dou y is represented by q and so on. Okay. Now we shall solve the we form the partial derivative, that is the formation of partial derivative. The formation of PDE can be done by using these two methods, that is by the method of eliminating arbitrary constants and by the second one the method of eliminating arbitrary functions. Let us see first method, that is by eliminating arbitrary constants. So in this method we form the PDE by using the given equation which contains arbitrary constant. Okay, so let the given equation be phi of x comma y a comma b equals to 0. So it is a function of x comma y and a comma b. That means here a and b are the constants. So this equation we differentiate partially with respect to x and y separately. Okay, the first step is we differentiate partially with respect to x and y separately. Second step is replace dou z by dou x by p and dou z by dou y by q. Then we eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b from the given equations. Okay, like this we form the PDE by arbitrary, that is by eliminating arbitrary constants. Okay, now we shall consider some examples on these problems. So by the example you will completely understood what is the that is the method of eliminating arbitrary constant. Okay, let us consider first question. Eliminate the arbitrary constant a and b from the equation z is equals to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. The question is, or you can it may be given as form PDE by eliminating constants. The first question is this one: z is equals to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. Okay, so in this, again as I said, that here we differentiate given equation with respect to x and y partially separately. Okay, so that is, let the given equation be z is equals to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square be equation 1. Now differentiating partially with respect to x first. Okay, first we differentiate with respect to x, then go for the with respect to y. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x because it is a dependent variable, so that we have to write dou z by dou x equals to. Now while differentiating with respect to x, y is taken as constant. Okay, now x minus a whole square differentiation is 2 into x minus a, y differentiation will be 0. Okay, so that is this dou z by dou x is replaced by p, because as I said in the earlier that always dou z by dou x is replaced, that means in this chapter dou z by dou x is represented by p. So we replace this dou z by dou x by p equals to 2 into x minus a, or we can separate this x minus a because here in the given equation we have x minus a. So to eliminate constant a, you can separate this a, or simply you can separate this x minus a because a is in the form of x minus a. Okay, or you can separate this a also. So here we separate this x minus a only. Directly this value we substitute in the given equation, so that you can separate x minus a or a also. So here x minus a is separated, so that we get p divided by 2. So this value we substitute in the given equation. Okay, so similarly now we differentiate partially with respect to y to get another constant value, that is differentiating given equation 1 partially with respect to y. Now differentiating partially with respect to y, we get dou z divided by dou y is equals to x minus a. Now it is constant, so y minus b whole square differentiation is 2 into y minus b, and y differentiation will be 1. Further it can be written as q is equals to 2 into y minus b, or you can separate this y minus b itself. Y minus b value will be q divided by 2. Again substituting this value in the given equation 1. So equation 1 now becomes z as it is, this x minus a whole square. X minus a means we got p divided by 2, so that it is p divided by 2, whole square is there, so that it is whole square, plus y minus b value is q divided by 2 whole square. Further simplifying, we get z is equals to p square divided by 4 plus q square divided by 4. Taking LCM 4 and sending this LHS side, we get p square plus q square equals to 4z. So this is the required solution, that is required PD. Required PD. So similarly, next we have another question here. Again same form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Okay. So the question is, that is the PD solution of the PDE is given by 2z is equals to x square plus x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square. So from this we have to form the PDE. The given equation is this one. Okay, that is the solution of the PDE is this one. So by using this we have to form the PDE. First let us consider 2z is equals to x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square. Equation 1. Differentiating partially with respect to x and y separately. Okay, here itself we write x and y separately, or you can write with respect to x first then y. Now 2z differentiation is 2 dou z divided by dou x equals to x square differentiation is 2x divided by a square being constant as it is. Okay, Further, it can be written as 2 get cancels. Dou z by dou x value is p is equals to x divided by a square. Okay, here we have a square term, so that we simply we separate this a square value. A square is equals to x divided by p. So here we got a square is equals to x divided by p, or else in the given equation it is x square by a square, so that you can multiply this term by xp, that is multiplying this term by x, we get xp equals to x square divided by a square. So complete form in the equation 1. Okay, so next we differentiate partially with respect to y. So differentiating partially with respect to y. Okay, so we get, differentiating this one, we get 2 as it is, dou z divided by dou y, its differentiation will be 0. Y square differentiation 2y divided by b square as it is. 2 get cancelled. Dou z by dou y means it is q y divided by b square, or else you can write it as b square equals to q divided by, sorry, b square equals to y divided by q. So now substitute a square and b square value in the given equation. So given equation 1 becomes 2z equals to x square as it is. A square means x divided by p, so it is x divided by p, plus y square as it is. B square means y divided by q. Simplifying, further simplifying, we get x get cancels, we get x divided by p plus y divided by q equals to 2z. Sorry, here we get xp because it goes to numerator into yq. So 2z equals to xp plus yq, or xp plus yq is equals to 2z. This is the required PD. Next we have one more question here. Z equals to x plus a into y plus b. Again the same question, form the PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. Solution, let us take this equation as equation 1. So it is y plus b, equation 1. So differentiating partially with respect to x, we get dou z divided by dou x is equals to, so you can observe that here this y plus b is constant and we have to differentiate this one. So y plus b is taken outside, x plus a differentiation is 1, because we are differentiating with respect to x, x differentiation is 1 and a differentiation is 0. Dou z by dou x is replaced by p is equals to y plus b. So simply we keep this as it is, and again differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, we get dou z divided by dou y is equals to, now x plus a being constant, y plus b differentiation is 1. So further it can be written as q is equals to x plus a. Substitute this y plus b and x plus a value in the equation 1, so that we get 1 implies that z as it is, x plus a value is q into y plus b value is p. So this is the, or it can be written as z is equals to pq, or pq equals to z. This is the required PD. Next question, form the PDE by the method of elimination of arbitrary constant of all spheres of radius 3 units. So here radius is given by 3 units having their center on the xy plane. So here center is on the xy plane, so z value, that is z axis, is equals to 0 and radius is equals to 3 units. So we have the equation of sphere having radius 3 units on xy plane is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus 0 whole square equals to 3 square. Okay, or it can be written as x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equals to 9. Consider this as equation 1. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. So on differentiating partially with respect to x, we get 2x minus a y plus b whole square differentiation is 0 plus z square differentiation is 2z dou z divided by dou x equals to 0, or we can write it as x minus a is equals to, or 2x minus a is equals to minus 2z dou z divided by dou x. 2 get cancels. X minus a is equals to minus z into dou z by dou x is replaced by p. So x minus a value is minus z into p. So similarly, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So differentiating partially with respect to y, we get x minus a differentiation is 0, y minus b differentiation is 2y minus b, z square differentiation 2z dou z divided by dou y equals to 0, or it can be written as y minus b, that is 2y minus b equals to minus 2z dou z by dou y is replaced by q. 2 get cancels. Y minus b is equals to minus z into q. Substituting these two values in the given equation 1, we get x minus a is minus zb, so that we get x minus a whole square is equals to minus zb whole square plus minus zq whole square plus z square equals to 9, or it is equals to z square p square plus z square q square plus z square equals to 9, or we can take z square outside, so that we get p square plus q square plus 1 equals to 9, which is the required PD. Okay. Next question, form PDE from x square plus y square equals to z minus c whole square tan square alpha. Here constants are c and alpha, so we have to remove this c and alpha. Solution, given x square plus y square equals to z minus c whole square tan square alpha. Consider this as equation 1. Differentiating partially with respect to x, we get x square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation 0, z. Here you can observe that this tan square alpha is constant, so that we write tan square alpha. Now z minus c whole square differentiation is 2 into z minus c into z differentiation is dou z divided by dou x, or 2 get cancels. We can write x equals to tan square alpha z minus c into dou z by dou x value is p. You can observe that this tan square alpha is constant term. Okay, so we separate this tan square alpha into z minus c, also we can separate. So further simplifying this, we write it as tan square alpha into z minus c is equals to, we write it as x divided by p. Consider this as equation 2. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y, so that we get x square differentiation 0, y square differentiation 2y equals to again z minus c whole square differentiation. So tan square alpha we take outside, z2 into z minus c into dou z divided by dou y. 2 get cancels. Y equals to tan square alpha is constant and z minus c we keep as it is. Dou z by dou y is replaced by q. Again you can observe that this term is same as in the given term. So we separate this term. Tan square alpha z minus c is equals to v write y divided by q. Consider this as equation 3. So now LHS side of the equation 2 and equation 3 are same. So this is also tan square alpha z minus c, here also tan square alpha z minus c, so that we can equate the RHS side of the equation 2 and 3. So that is equating equation 2 and 3. We get x divided by p is equals to y divided by q, or it can be written as xp xp is equals to xq into yp, or it can be written as xp, that is xq minus yp equals to 0. So this is the required PD. So like this we can form the PDE by using, that is by the method of eliminating constants. Okay.